Good day, student. This is Habila, your chemistry teacher. And today we'll be looking at the topic A. We'll be looking at the topic A. Now let's look at the composition of A. A is a mixture of gases, mainly nitrogen and oxygen, with small amounts of carbon dioxide, noble gases, and water vapor. Let's look at the percentage composition of A. Now, the percentage composition of A are nitrogen, which is 78%, oxygen 21%, carbon dioxide 0.003%, noble gases about 1%, water vapor in variable proportion, dust and other particles are also in variable proportion. Now let's quickly look at evidence that shows that A is a mixture. Number one, the constituents of A can easily be separated by physical method. Secondly, the constituents of A still retain their individual properties. The third one, when mixed together under ordinary conditions, there is no evidence of chemical combination. And the last one, the composition of A cannot be represented by a chemical formula as in the way we normally represented compounds with chemical formula. And let's look at atmospheric oxygen, which is part of the major constituents of A. Now, oxygen is the most active constituent in A. Now, remember, nitrogen, the A constitutes 78% by volume of nitrogen, but the most active among these constituents is oxygen. Now, the reason is because oxygen is necessary for cellular respiration in all living organisms, and is needed for burning and roasting. Now let's look at combustion of substances in A. Burning or combustion is a chemical reaction which is frequently accompanied by the production of light and heat. So any chemical reaction that is accompanied by the production of heat and light, it is commonly referred to as burning or combustion. Now let's look at an example. When candle wax, a hydrocarbon, is ignited, it melts, vaporizes, and decomposes into its major constituent elements, which are hydrogen and carbon. Now this then combines with atmospheric oxygen to form water and carbon dioxide respectively, depending on whether the oxygen is in excess or it is in limited supply. And whenever the oxygen is in limited supply, instead of forming carbon dioxide, you end up with carbon oxide. So this is where we're going to stop. I have an assignment for you. Number one, state two reasons why A is classified as a mixture. Number two, what is combustion? And number three, give the percentage composition of A. And you can WhatsApp the assignment for me through my WhatsApp number, which is on the screen. Have a blessed day. Thank you.